Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on preserving the brilliance and vibrancy of your healthy hair. I'm excited to share with you some of the best tips and strategies for keeping your locks looking their absolute best, no matter your hair type or texture. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the science behind healthy hair, explore the common challenges that can dull and damage your strands, and uncover a wealth of practical solutions to help you maintain that salon fresh glow day in and day out. The science of healthy hair. To truly understand how to maintain the vibrancy and vitality of your hair, it's important to first grasp the science behind what makes hair healthy in the first place. At its core, healthy hair is characterized by several key factors. 1. Strength and elasticity. Healthy hair strands are strong and resilient, able to withstand the daily stresses and environmental factors that can lead to breakage and damage. This strength is largely due to the structure of the hair shaft itself, which is composed of a protein called keratin. Keratin is made up of long chains of amino acids that are twisted together to form a helical structure. This helical structure gives hair its strength and elasticity. 2. Moisture balance. Optimal hair health is achieved when there is a delicate balance between moisture and oil, keeping strands hydrated and nourished. The hair cuticle, which is the outermost layer of the hair shaft, plays a crucial role in maintaining this balance. When the cuticle is smooth and intact, it allows moisture to penetrate the hair shaft easily, keeping it hydrated and supple. However, when the cuticle is damaged or lifted, it can lead to dryness, brittleness, and breakage. 3. Vibrant color and shine. Healthy hair reflects light beautifully, showcasing a natural, lustrous shine and vibrant color. This is due to the structure of the hair shaft itself, which is made up of a protein called keratin. Keratin contains a high concentration of the amino acid cysteine, which is responsible for the hair's natural shine and color. When the hair shaft is healthy and strong, it can reflect light evenly, giving the appearance of vibrant color and shine. When all of these elements are in harmony, your hair will not only look and feel its absolute best, but it will also be better equipped to withstand the rigors of daily life, from styling to environmental stressors. Common challenges to healthy hair. Unfortunately, maintaining this delicate balance can be easier said than done. There are a number of factors that can disrupt the health and vibrancy of your hair, including 1. Excessive heat styling. The use of hot tools like blow dryers, curling irons, and straighteners can severely damage the hair cuticle, leading to dryness, frizz, and breakage. This is because heat can cause the cuticle scales to lift and become rough, allowing moisture to escape and leading to dryness and brittleness. 2. Chemical treatments. Processes like coloring, bleaching, and perming can strip the hair of its natural oils and moisture, compromising its overall health and appearance. This is because chemical treatments can damage the hair cuticle, leading to dryness, brittleness, and breakage. 3. Environmental aggressors. Exposure to UV rays, pollution, and hard water can all take a toll on the condition of your hair, causing it to become dull, brittle, and discolored. UV rays can cause the hair cuticle to become dry and brittle, leading to breakage and split ends. Pollution can also damage the hair cuticle, leading to dryness and brittleness. Hard water can strip the hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and brittleness. 4. Improper hair care routines. Using the wrong products or techniques, or neglecting to properly cleanse and condition your hair can exacerbate existing issues and prevent your strands from reaching their full potential. For example, using a shampoo that is too harsh can strip the hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and brittleness. Similarly, using a conditioner that is too heavy can weigh the hair down, leading to a lack of volume and texture. The good news is that with the right strategies and a little bit of TLC, you can overcome these challenges and keep your hair looking and feeling its absolute best. Strategies for preserving healthy hair brilliance. Now that we've covered the science behind healthy hair and the common obstacles that can stand in the way of maintaining it, let's dive into the practical solutions that will help you preserve the brilliance and vibrancy of your locks. 1. Embrace heat-free styling. One of the most effective ways to protect your hair's health and shine is to minimize your use of hot styling tools. While it may be tempting to reach for the blow dryer or curling iron for a quick and easy style, the intense heat can severely damage the delicate hair cuticle, leading to dryness, frizz, and breakage over time. Instead, opt for heat-free styling methods whenever possible. This could include air drying your hair, using heatless curling methods like foam rollers or headbands, or experimenting with protective styles like braids or buns. When you do use hot tools, be sure to apply a heat protective serum or spray beforehand, and always use the lowest possible temperature setting. 2. Nourish your hair from the inside out. The health and vibrancy of your hair is not just a matter of external care, it's also heavily influenced by what you put into your body. Ensuring that you're getting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet can have a profound impact on the strength, shine, and overall condition of your locks. Focus on incorporating foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, biotin found in eggs, nuts, and legumes, iron found in spinach, lentils, and red meat, vitamin C found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli. You can also consider taking a high-quality hair, skin, and nail supplement to provide an extra boost of nourishment from the inside out. 3. Adopt a gentle, customized hair care routine. When it comes to maintaining the brilliance and vibrancy of your hair care routine is of the utmost importance. It's crucial to choose products that are tailored to your specific hair type and needs, and to handle your strands with the utmost care. Start by using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo that won't strip your hair of its natural oils. Follow up with a rich, nourishing conditioner that helps to replenish moisture and strengthen your strands. You may also want to incorporate a weekly deep conditioning treatment or hair mask to provide an extra boost of hydration and protection. In addition to your cleansing and conditioning regimen, be mindful of how you handle your hair on a daily basis. Avoid excessive brushing or combing, which can lead to breakage, and be sure to use a wide-tooth comb or your fingers to gently detangle your locks. When drying your hair, pat it dry with a soft microfiber towel or t-shirt rather than rubbing it vigorously. 4. Protect your hair from environmental aggressors. Unfortunately, the world we live in is full of environmental factors that can wreak havoc on the health and vibrancy of our hair. From UV rays to pollution to hard water, these external aggressors can strip your strands of their natural oils and leave them feeling dry, dull, and discolored. To combat these challenges, it's important to incorporate protective measures into your daily routine. This could include wearing a hat or scarf when spending extended time in the sun, using a clarifying shampoo or rinse to remove buildup from hard water, applying a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to create a barrier against environmental stressors. You may also want to consider investing in a shower filter or water softener to help minimize the impact of hard water on your hair. 5. Embrace regular trims and treatments. Finally, one of the most important steps in preserving the brilliance and vibrancy of your healthy hair is to embrace regular trims and treatments. Even the healthiest of hair can become damaged and split over time, and regular trims can help to keep your ends looking fresh and vibrant. In addition to regular trims, consider incorporating professional hair treatments into your routine. By taking the time to invest in your hair's health and appearance, you'll be well on your way to maintaining that salon fresh glow day in and day out. In conclusion, preserving the brilliance and vibrancy of your healthy hair is all about adopting a holistic approach to hair care. By embracing heat-free styling, nourishing your hair from the inside out, customizing your hair care routine, protecting your strands from environmental aggressors, and regularly treating your locks to professional care, you can ensure that your hair stays looking and feeling its absolute best, no matter what life throws your way. Remember, healthy hair is not just about achieving a certain look, it's about maintaining the overall integrity and vitality of your strands so that you can feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and get ready to experience the transformative power of healthy, vibrant hair.